So welcome back to MTL Box Breaks. It is Saturday, the 11th of January, and it's 9:37 a.m. Eastern Time. Alright, so this is a Panini Limited 2011-12. Break number 489. Brand new box. Serial number NE99187418. Alright, so I wish you guys good luck. Checklist. And the back. Alright, so let's see what we have in this pack. Alright, so we have Ryan O'Reilly for the Colorado Avalanche, Tyler Ennis for the Buffalo Sabres, Steve Yzerman for the Detroit Red Wings, for the Calgary Flames, Phenom's patch autographed, Roman Horak, numbered out of 299. Eric Lindros for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Numbered out of 99. And we have a jumbo pack prime jersey number for the Boston Bruins, Brad Marchand. Nice hit. Numbered out of 10. And we have retired numbers, Ron Francis for the Carolina Hurricanes. This one is also numbered out of 25. Alright, so that's it for this break. Thank you very much for joining. I hope that you got good hits and hope to see you back on next breaks.